were in a traffic jam and the semi was right on our butt. And all of a sudden we had to stop quick. Remember that, Gail?
I think the only thing keeping them up is they keeps hitting the noisy thing.
Yeah, I think so.
That's the only thing keeping them from falling off.
Yeah, otherwise you'd be right off the road. Jeez, where are the cops?
Cole, you haven't seen anything back there?
No. Jeez, what are they doing?
I don't see the cops at all.
I don't either. He's just constantly off the road.
Okay, Grandpa. Me and you will look back and you,
I can't look back.
you can look forward too, and then I'll look back, okay?
As soon as you see the cops calling, you got to get that seatbelt on, back on,
Well,
your shoulder.
yeah, you don't
Well, I
get
have
to see.
back on.
Okay. Yeah, he's got it on. It's just that it's.
Oh, jeez, there goes again.
Yeah.
They go around the guy.
I don't see the cops at all.
I don't either.
They're probably...
Well, now he's slowed way down. Before he was doing 65, now he's down to 55.
Jeez, yeah, where are those cops? It's been about, what, almost 10 minutes or 5 minutes?
Yeah, he could have killed somebody by
What's the
now.
mile marker here then?
302?
302. Yeah, see.
10 minutes.
They're still not out
It's
here.
9 miles.
Yeah.
It's 11 miles now.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
No cops.
Oh.
You said eastbound? Grandma?
Wait, Grandpa, they would be like, woo, woo. People will start pulling
Well, they
over.
did when they pulled that guy over. They put the lights on. That's how we knew they were coming. With the sirens on. Remember right by the bus? Pulled the guy right over.
Maybe we're just too far in the country. Not any stations.
I thought they caught
Oh
it.
man.
I didn't think it would be this long.
We have a semi coming in really fast on us.
Yeah, semis. Some of them are really just drive like crap. They did a story about the semis at 60 minutes.
We're gonna take exit 39. Just letting you know.
Never even find out if it gets pulled over.
Yeah, probably not.
Jeez. The crap.
A motorcycle don't want to be by a sleepy semi driver.
I'm surprised.
Cole, I'd go on and get your feet planted in a good position. Make sure you're like sitting properly. Like if anything were to crash, we'd stop. The car would probably hit us from behind. You just want to be. You want to be.
Oh, your brother sure takes care of you good.
Okay, I have it. Make sure.
Okay,
People
good.
get killed in accidents on that side of the road. Car comes smashing across. Is that what happened to Lauren Peterson? Did she slide across
I
the?
think she
slide
kind of
across?
went into the ditch. She slid
Oh.
across. She was going 80 miles an hour.
Yeah, but didn't she go across the median? I thought she hit another car.
I think she hit one in her. How was that? She went in the ditch and then came back out.
I don't remember.
This guy's parking behind him.
All
What?
the girls got killed, didn't they? It wasn't just Lauren. Wasn't all of them got killed?
Hey,
Maybe
that's the carriage.
except for one.
One was.
One survived, yeah. Not all the girls. That was horrible, jeez.
Oh, they're probably seeing him waving around.
Yeah, they're all going way left. Look at that. They're staying away from him.
Well, that's pretty poor of New York cops. Must be some kind of
The bus driver guy, he went off to the left.
motorcycle thing
And he
going on.
went off to the right, and he went
There's
back
a lot
off
of
to
guys
the
that are
left.
camping here.
I wouldn't want to be a motorcycle going across that guy.
Oh, jeez, it gets lost.
They're going off to the side, that's good. I hate these turns when he does it.
What if it's like a kid driving?
Could be a kid. Maybe that's it.
His
Can't
father's
see over the wheel.
asleep. His father's asleep.
Yeah. Kid's driving the semi.
And he
I mean,
said he was awake, but he said, "I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. You can drive." It's like when he turns, it's like his.
Jeez. I've never seen a semi.
It's like his
this.
trailers. It's gonna fly off. Looks like his trailer's gonna
Compact.
drift, Grandma.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna come right in front of him. It's gonna start sliding. And then it's gonna hit someone.
What, they think it's a joke or